Hey everyone, welcome back. Trying to add your card to Beem and it keeps rejecting it, saying your card isn't supported or the details are wrong. Here's what Beem actually accepts. First, confirm your card is the right time. Beem only accepts Visa or Mastercard debit cards from your Australian banks that are eftpos online enabled. It does not accept credit cards, prepaid cards, or international cards. If you're trying to add an HSBC Platinum, a World Mastercard, or any credit card, those won't work no matter what you try. If you have the right card type and it's still failing, force close the Beem app from your recent apps and then try adding the card on a completely fresh app session. Since the card entry form sometimes becomes unresponsive mid-entry. Then go to settings and iPhone storage, scroll down, find Beem, tap on it, then tap Offload app, and reinstall it fresh from your app store before trying again. Also, contact your bank and confirm your debit card has eftpos online transactions enabled. Since some newer cards have this turned off by default and it needs it switched on before Beem will accept them. So all you've got to do is confirm it's a Visa or Master debit card, offload and reinstall, and check your bank has eftpos online enabled for the card. Beem accepts it and that's it. Subscribe.